Today we are looking at the PSM series. PSM series comes in one size, the 48-inch, and when you get your PSM series sweeper out of the crate and you attach the tow bar, the last thing to do before it's ready to roll is attaching the top of the hopper to the frame. Now this attaches via Velcro in 5 spots. So 2 Velcro pieces on each side, top and bottom, and the front one that goes across this entire main bar. The manual for the PSM is located back here on the hopper frame. That's where you'll find all your information. PSM series is one of the most popular sweep ball models. Don't forget to check and fill fluids, and don't forget to like and subscribe.